Okay.
made of this. This is honey.
So
and-
that's honey.
Yeah, honey and corn flour.
Honey and corn flour.
Honey is 3-day boil.
3 days
Boiling.
boiling.
1 week fermented honey.
With fermented honey.
How-
Wow. Wow.
Oh my god, harder. And drill make a hole. Another one more hole by this. One in my hand. Stretching. Little by little. Now making 16,384 strings.
Really? From that?
Yes.
Wow.
Wow, stretching. Little by little. First time is just 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. And 8. And 60. 32. And 64.
자, 부하시오
128. 2. 256.
소지
5.
하나
512. Middle size 1,020.
자, 부하시오
Wow. That's really cool.
But not yet.
Yeah.
소지
4,048. 4,096. And 8,192 last count.
자,
Finally,
부하시오
16,384. 1, 2, 3. Looks like hair.
Wow. It does look like hair. Wow.
Let me have it.
Amazing. Nice.
Thanks.
Nice.
And look at here.
Okay.
Dividing half of honey. One more dividing half like this. And just cutting. Inside no sugar, no.
자, 부하시오
Almond,
부탁드립니다.
sesame, walnut, pineapple, blah blah. And put a nut. Lolly.
Oh, that's how you make one. Wow. Nice.
Thank you very much.
Nice showing.
Thank you. Have a nice.
자, 부하시오
Okay.
부탁드려요.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very
So
much.
enjoy.
Yeah, thank
Right. Have a good day.
you. Okay, what is that?
Okay. Okay. So this is called Kkultaerae.
Honey, right.
몇 꿀이야?
Cool is mean honey.
Cool means right. Kkultaerae. Okay. Alright. Thank you.